Welcome back. Abortion remains legal tonight in the state of Michigan. A judge ruled today that county prosecutors cannot enforce that 1931 law that bans the procedure.
Fox 17's Lauren Edwards joins us in studio with what that means. Lauren.
Jamie and Doug, you know, so many people have been holding their breaths, waiting for today's decision. But right before noon is when we learn that for right now, abortions will not be prosecuted in the state.
Injunctive relief is an extraordinary remedy and should only be granted when justice so requires.
Friday, Oakland County Judge Jacob Cunningham granted Governor Gretchen Whitmer's request for a preliminary injunction. It blocks county prosecutors from enforcing MCL 75014, a 1931 ban on abortions.
This statute is the product of the 57th Michigan legislative session, notably comprised almost entirely of men.
One of the prosecutors arguing to enforce the ban includes Kent County's Chris Becker. The ruling comes after 2 days of witness testimony from doctors, providers, and the chief medical officer, all talking about the harm a ban would cause women.
The number of women impacted under this scenario, whether forced to give birth or to relocate to seek medical care, suffer irreversible uterine damage from an untreated ectopic pregnancy, to name a few plausible of many horrific outcomes, is unquantifiable for purposes of this scenario.
The 1931 law sat dormant on the books until Roe v. Wade was overturned in late June. Since then, there's been legal battles over it. Friday's decision comes after Michigan's Court of Appeals ruled that prosecutors were not included in a May preliminary injunction, stopping Attorney General Dana Nessel from enforcing the law. But Judge Cunningham ruled differently and suggested prosecutors focus their time and energy on other issues.
Given the nature of these proceedings, the court suggests the county prosecutors focus their attention and resources in the meantime to investigation and prosecution of criminal sexual conduct, homicide, arson, child and elder abuse, animal cruelty, and other violent, horrific crimes that we see in our society.
Governor Whitmer released a statement this afternoon saying, in part, quote, the lack of legal clarity about abortion in Michigan has already caused far too much confusion for women who deserve certainty about their health care and hardworking medical providers who should be able to do their jobs without worrying about being thrown behind bars. Once over the course of a single day, abortion was legal in the morning, illegal around lunchtime, and legal in the evening. We cannot have this whiplash about something as fundamental as a woman's right to control her own body. Now, we have since learned that there is an appeal has been planned by at least 2 county prosecutors, and we have reached out to Kent County prosecutor Chris Becker. We're just waiting to hear back. Reporting live here in studio, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.